These neon nails are great for summer, super easy to create, and they even glow under a black light. Let me show you how I made this fun look happen. Let's go. For this look, I am using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, Color Club's AN43 Rum Running, Color Club's AN39 Sweet as Sugarcane, Color Club's AN13 Warhol, Holo Taco's Scattered Holo Taco, Maniology's B421 Baroque, Holo Taco's Glossy Taco, and Maniology Stamping Plate M386. As with all manicures, I start with a base coat. I am using Holo Taco's long-lasting base here. Next, the base color. Here I am using Color Club's AN43 Rum Running. Time to apply the gradient. I'm using Color Club's AN43 Rum Running, AN39 Sweet as Sugarcane, and AN13 Warhol for this. Let the first application to the makeup sponge soak in and put a second layer on before applying to the nail. You can apply this by either a rolling technique or a dabbing technique, or a combination of both. I purposefully use the lightest color of the gradient, the yellow, as my base color because it won't interfere with the other colors I've selected. If you're worried about interference, use a white polish for a base color. The makeup sponge will apply thin coats of polish, so you'll build it up over multiple applications until you're happy with the result. I learned with this that neon polishes are a bit trickier than a standard creme for making a gradient, and I was reminded that I struggle to place gradients on false nails. Of course, when applying to your actual nails, you'll want to use a barrier for your skin, something like a liquid latex or an adhesive cuticle tape. This will save you on the cleanup with acetone that you'll need to get the polish off of your skin. For some sparkle, I'm now using Holo Taco's Scattered Holo Taco over the gradient. Any kind of topper or top coat will help smooth the gradient together. The gradient, of course, looks nice as it is, but I'm adding a stamped design on top using Maniology's Stamping Plate M386 with their dark purple stamping polish B421 Baroque. You simply paint the polish onto the plate, scrape, pick up with a silicone stamper, and apply to the nail. Finally, I seal the manicure in with Holo Taco's Glossy Taco, a quick dry top coat for maximum shine and long-lasting wear. Since I'm not using a smudge-free top coat first, I am careful to float the top coat polish so I don't smudge the stamp design. Floating means applying a thick layer to help keep the brush bristles from touching the polish below. Voila! Enjoy your manicure!